Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Snibe Diagnostic MAGLUMI DHEAS CLIA. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostic. Over here we can see the product name MAGLUMI DHEAS CLIA. This kit is used to determine the dehydroepiandrosterone sulfate levels in human blood or serum. Over here we can see the contents of this kit: 2.5 ml magnetic microbeads, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 6.5 ml buffer, 7.5 ml AB label, 1 ml control 1, 1 ml control 2. Over here we can see the reference number of this kit 130252012M, then lot number, then expiry date. Here we can see this is a C certificate IVD product. The pictorial representation reference, one instruction manual inside this kit. We can store away from direct sunlight. This kit is should maintain a temperature between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using ice pack to maintain the temperature of this kit. Using this kit we can do 100 tests. We already say this is a C certificate IVD product. Over here we can see the manufacturing details of this kit. This kit is manufactured from China, so the origin of the kit is China. Here we can also see the European represent address also. This is the overall front view of this product. In this side we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostic. On the back side we can see the brand name Snibe Diagnostic. On the side we can see the product name MAGLUMI DHEAS. Then reference number 130252012M, then lot number, then expiry date. This is the overall representation of this product. Now I am going to unpack this for your reference. You can unpack from this side. After opening we can see the reagent kit as well as instruction manuals, then control stickers also. I am going to take this one by one. After unbox the kit, the first one product is Snibe Diagnostic MAGLUMI DHEAS CLIA. This is a C certificate IVD product. Here we can see the reference number of this kit 130252012M, 100 tests per kit. Here we can see the intent use, then summary, test principle, reagents, warnings and precautions, reagent handling, then storage and stability. Here we can see there is a lot of stuff in this instruction manual. So I am going to keep this aside. The next one is a QC certificate provided by Snibe Diagnostic. The next one is a reagent seal. Total of 3 nurses. Here we can see the DHEAS. The next one is control stickers for both control and control 2. Each control stickers have 4 nurses. Control on 4 nurses, control of 4 nurses, total of 8 nurses. The next one is control solution. Is packed in a cover. I am going to unpack this for your reference. After unpacking we can see clearly the solutions control and control 2. I am going to take this one out. The white leg cap presents MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml DHEAS control 1. So this is control solution. The red leg cap contains MAGLUMI volume of 1 ml DHEAS CLIA control 2. So these are the two control solutions. Both are volume of 1 ml. Here we can see clearly. I'm going to keep this aside. The next one is a reagent kit, MAGLUMI DHEAS CLIA. This kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbits, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 6.5 ml buffer, 7.5 ml AB label. Here we can see the front view of this reagent kit. This is the back view. Here we can see clearly the solutions of this kit. Here you go for summary. Today we can see about the Snibe stick MAGLUMI DHEAS CLIA. This kit contains one instruction manual, a reagent seal, 3 nurses, a QC certificate provided by Snibe stick, a control stickers for both control and control 2, a control solutions, a reagent kit. This reagent kit contains 2.5 ml magnetic microbits, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 6.5 ml buffer, 7.5 ml AB label, then a control solutions. This is the overall view of this kit. Thank you.